Making slow-cooked pulled pork is probably one of the easiest and most tastiest slow-cooked recipes you can make. Firstly, add 800 grams of pork shoulder into the slow cooker. Then add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and also 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of the following herbs and spices: garlic salt, onion salt, ground pepper and oregano. Then add 1 tablespoon of barbecue seasoning and 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Mix the herbs and spices together in the tomato ketchup. And once you have done so, pour the sauce onto the pork shoulder. Slow cook the pork shoulder for 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high. Once the pork has been cooked, you can then begin to shred the shoulder with 2 forks. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe.